Hello, good morning children. This is your social science teacher, Jasveer Kaur. You may see globe in my hand. Class 9th we are going to study about your chapter number 2nd, that is the physical division of India. First, I would like to show you India on globe. It is here. Every time I used to show you and you have to take care. This is India on globe and its equator, as we have studied in our previous lectures, that equator divides the whole earth into two equal halves. Right? This upper one is northern hemisphere and this lower one is southern hemisphere. Upper one is northern hemisphere and lower one is southern hemisphere. And you may easily identify that in which hemisphere does India lie. Where does India lie? It lies in the northern hemisphere. So that you have to take every time in your mind that location of India on globe. Now I have taken India from globe to here. This also you may recognize that it is India, and today we are going to study about the physical division of India. We know very well that physical divisions or physical features, we can say in other words, physical division and physical features of India shows us about the different relief feature of that surface area, that is the crust. If we talk it as a whole of globe, like that, whole of the world, it is the upper layer of the earth, that is seen, that is visible to us upon here, that is visible to us, crust. And different scientists have given their theories regarding how this crust was made up of, how was it came into existence. So regarding that crust, if you rememorize, suppose it's earth, right, and its prime meridian, its equator, right, and from here if we take two lines, this is the inner core of the earth and it has been divided into three different layers, right. Upper one is crust, middle one is mantle, and this one is core of the earth. And here we are talking about this crust, right. Physical divisions are based upon the formation of the crust, how this crust has formed different type of physical divisions, physical feature, characteristics for a particular land, for a particular piece of land. When we talk about particular piece of land, we talk about India from this world map, and within India we are very lucky. Luckily, India has each and every type of relief feature. If we talk about mountains are there in India. If we talk about desert, that is in India, and moreover hot desert and cold desert, that is also in India. If we are talking about islands, that also there. If we talk about peninsula area, that is also there. If we talk about plateau, that is also there. What a fantastic division, physical divisions of India, right? So we don't have to go anywhere to seek different type of shelters. If you want to see desert, within India. If you want to visit cold desert, that is within India. If you want to visit hot desert, that is also within India. So very interestingly, India's physical features are there. This is India, right? So like I usually tell younger ones that like we have 5 organs, right? 5 organs, head to feet. We have different organs, or we have these 5 parts of body. Head is there, 2 hands are there, 2 feet is there, and 1 stomach is there. You may compare these with direction wise, right? East, west, north, south and center. Exactly same way for this studying this trust, mental and core. And then you may see physical division. Let us study with the help of map. It's very easy to understand these physical divisions. Characteristics afterward we will discuss. First we will divide 5 physical divisions of India. Very important. 5 to 6 divisions of India. Right? I tell you easiest one first. You have seen islands now? Here are the islands in Arabian Sea. These are the Lakshadweep Islands. These are the Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. Wait. Arabian Sea Lakshadweep Islands are there. Right? It is here. I have folded somewhat. It is not visible. Then there are Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands. Now you may categorize Lakshadweep Islands situated in the west of India, Andaman Nicobar Islands situated in the east of India. So first feature I am telling you, islands. It is somewhat different from your book. So I have taken the easiest one here. नहीं मैंने बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग में easiest one लिया तो easy to recognize and you have seen and somewhat interesting also. Islands. 2 type of islands. Eastern part of India and western part of India. Eastern part of India, which type of islands? You may write in this way. Eastern and western. Western part of India you have Lakshadweep Islands, and eastern part of India you have Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands. And eastern part islands located in which sea? It is here in Bay of Bengal. In Bay of Bengal. And Lakshadweep Islands, Arabian Sea. Right? These are situated in Arabian Sea. In this way you may locate easily. Right? Then we have to see that northern mountains. Second part is northern mountains. I will circle here northern mountains. From here Jammu Kashmir to here this place, and some part of Assam this line, and here it are from this Vaishno Devi, Nanda Devi, somewhat here. Right? The encircled portion. What's our island? Encircled with black pen. That portion shows us about the northern mountains. Roughly idea I am telling you. Then this area of Rajasthan. This area of Rajasthan, that is desert. This area of Rajasthan, it is desert, easy to locate. Desert, northern mountains. Okay, you may write in this way. Then I have told you islands in both the sides of India. Then you may take these islands. This sea nearby, this is coastal plains. Then our next is coastal plains. You know that coastal plains near the sea coast area. No? Coastal plains near the sea coast area, and it is also one side eastern coast and other side western coast. This is coastal area that is in Peninsula in India. It is same. Peninsula, you know, in my previous lecture I told you, this area of India that is covered by 3 sides from sea. Here it is Bay of Bengal, here it is Arabian Sea, then Indian Ocean. So this part of India from Gujarat, Gulf of Kutch to here, Kanyakumari, up to here Sundarban Delta, that is the peninsula India, and coastal plains located in the peninsula India, both the side, eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Then we have left this one area from this northern mountain to between the desert, northern mountain to between desert, and it is somewhere here in Gujarat also, some part of this, and it is here, and in this West Bengal, right? West Bengal जो हमारा सुंदरबन डेल्टा है, from where this is their northern plains. Northern plain, mean to say plain area, that is northern mountain, its northern plains, right, and its desert. These are the coastal plains. Coastal plains, these are also coastal plains. This is eastern coastal plain, this is western coastal plains. One thing, dear student, when you watch this video, you have to take this map, blank map of India with you and try to draw accordingly. Okay, pause karo, draw karo, then you will easily locate all the 5 to 6 division, physical division of India very easily. Right? Then first I located this northern mountain, then I located this desert, then coastal plains, islands, right? Then whatsoever left here, that we have divided into northern plains. Northern plains. Fourth one is northern plain. And fifth one I have located desert. And very interestingly, whatsoever left, this area left, right? Whatsoever left, that whole area covered by plateau, right? And when we will discuss its division one by one, its characteristics, then you will come to know about this plateau. These are also further divided into 3 categories. You may have heard about Chota Nagpur plateau here. Chota Nagpur plateau, that is very rich in minerals. So for today only I am telling you location of India that we have discussed previously in our first lecture in the northern hemisphere on globe. From there I picked India here and got it divided into physical divisions. First I told you about the islands, okay, situated in western India and eastern India. Then I told you about the northern mountains. Then I told you about the desert, northern plains, right? Then coastal plains, and whatsoever remaining portion of India, including central India and its peninsula, that is our plateau. So easy, right? Try to make its practice with blank map. Try to locate all these divisions. One more is there, 6 ghats. Ghats are also there nearby this. When we take these northern, these coastal plains, okay, eastern coastal plains, western coastal plains, and there within that there are some type of mountains are found. Here, these are ghats. These are the ghats. These ghats lies in the west part of India is the western ghats, lies in the eastern part of India is the eastern ghats. These are the eastern ghats, these are the western ghats. So okay, bye students, take care.